In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around a circle in PowerPoint. This is a fantastic way to create visually appealing designs in your presentations, whether it's to highlight a particular point or simply make your slides stand out. Let's dive right into the steps and explore how we can achieve this delightful effect. First, ensure that you have PowerPoint open on your computer. Once you've got it up and running, locate the PowerPoint presentation you're working on and open it. You should see all the slides laid out in front of you, ready for editing. Navigate to the slide where you want to apply the text wrapping effect, or if you're starting fresh, feel free to create a new slide. After selecting the slide you'll be working with, click on the text box or the specific text that you want to wrap around a circle. If there isn't any text yet, you might want to insert a text box and type in the word or phrase you want to use. This is our jumping off point for applying the circle wrap effect. Now direct your attention to the top of your PowerPoint window where you'll find a series of tabs. You want to click on the one labelled Shape Format. This tab is crucial for applying a variety of styles and effects to your text and shapes, so it's a great area to familiarise yourself with if you haven't already. With the Shape Format tab open, look for the option named Text Effects. You'll find it in the Word Art Styles group. Clicking on this button will reveal a drop-down menu, showcasing several options to stylize how your text appears. From this menu you'll want to choose Transform. Transforming your text allows you to change its shape and layout, which is perfect for our circle wrap effect. In the transform options you'll see various configurations. For a circular wrap you need to select the option that looks like a circle. It's typically labelled as circle or full circle. Once you select that option, you'll notice your text starts bending around as if it's on a circular path. At this point, the text might not yet look exactly how you desire because of its initial size or spacing. To finalize the effect, click and drag the corner handles of your text box. This will scale your text, allowing it to fit snugly around a circle. Experiment with the size until the text wraps neatly without distorting. And there you have it, a text perfectly wrapped around a circle, adding flair to any presentation. Feel free to adjust the font size or spacing as needed to ensure everything looks just right. This technique not only enhances your slides but also helps draw attention to key messages. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.